Good morning. If there is one problem Kenyans are going to inherit is one Rigathi Geoffrey Gachagua. I say this because if he is really the son of Mau, as he calls himself, and you see someone who can have the guts to say I recorded someone who can go touch my house and raise down the house, that is a guy who can chase Ruto away, and you guys get another dangerous Amaruto Pro Max. Welcome to Sunnyview TV. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button so that next time we have an episode like this, the YouTube will automatically notify you. To my subscribers, asanteni sana. Now, let us ask ourselves this question. 1. If Gachagua is really a better alternative for Ruto's mess. It's not. These are two HCPs, high conflict personalities. So what happened yesterday in Siaya? When Sifuna provoked Ruto being Ruto answered immediately. These two guys are just the same. And if we make Gachagua anything beyond being where he is, Kenyans will have bigger problems than the ones we are having under Ruto. I don't know how you think. That's my take. Until next time, this is Sunnyview.